Namaste. Hamesha khush raho betiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you frozen foods in Principles of Food Preservation Lab. Now let's start with the topic. What is frozen food? Freezing food preserves it from the time it is prepared to the time it is eaten. Since early times, farmers, fishermen, and trappers have preserved grains and produce in unheated buildings during the winter season. Freezing food slows down decomposition by turning residual moisture into ice, inhibiting the growth of most bacterial species. In the food commodity industry, there are two processes, mechanical and cryogenic, or you can say flash freezing. The freezing kinetic is important to preserve the food quality and texture. Higher freezing generates smaller ice crystals and maintains cellular structure. Cryogenic freezing is the quickest freezing technology available due to the ultra low liquid nitrogen temperature, that is minus 196 degrees Celsius. Preserving food in domestic kitchens using modern times during modern times is achieved using household freezers. Accepted advice to householders was to freeze food on the day of purchase. An initiative by the supermarket group in 2012 promotes the freezing of food as soon as possible up to the product's use by date. The Food Standards Agency was reported as supporting the change provided the food had been stored correctly at that time. Preservatives are for the frozen food products do not require any added preservatives because microorganisms do not grow when the temperature of the food is below minus 9.5 degrees Celsius, which is sufficient on its own in preventing food spoilage. Long-term preservation of food may call for food storage at even lower temperatures. Carboxymethylcellulose, a tasteless and odorless stabilizer, is typically added to frozen food because it does not adulterate the quality of the food product. The freezing technique itself, just like the frozen food market, is developing to become faster, more efficient, and more cost effective. Mechanical freezers were the first to be used in the food industry and are used in the most vast majority of freezing refrigerating lines. They function by circulating a refrigerant, normally ammonia, around the system, which withdraws heat from the food product. This heat is then transferred to the condenser and dissipated into the air or water. The refrigerant itself, now a high pressure hot liquid, is directed into the evaporator. As it passes through an expansion valve, it is cooled and then vaporizes into a gaseous state. Now a low pressure, low temperature gas, again it can reintroduced into the system. And for cryogenic or flash freezing of food in liquid, nitrogen can also be used, and by dipping in the liquid nitrogen, the food is freezed. For performing this experiment, we need peas and a freezer, or you can say air blast freezer. For that, first of all, peel the pods of the peas and then separate the peas grain from it. Then blanch the peas and then put it into the filter paper, absorb so that filter paper absorb the extra moisture from the peas. Then put it put the blanched peas in the air blast freezer, so and start the freezing process. After 5 minutes, the frozen peas are ready, stored in a deep freezer at minus 180 degrees Celsius. Sorry, minus 18 degrees Celsius. You have the frozen peas. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.